annoying. Hey people. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome.
Today, oh my gosh, today we have so much yarn to sort through because we are doing a huge destashing.
Yes.
Destashing!
Destashing. Why? Because we don't like keeping our leftover yarn.
Because we don't like playing yarn chicken.
We don't like playing yarn chicken, so we buy a lot of yarn,
way
more than needed.
Yeah.
And then we have leftovers, and instead of keeping it to make something else, we just toss it to the side in our yarn bucket.
Yes.
And our yarn bucket began to overflow. So it is time to have another destashing where we sell our yarn to you guys at a nice
and honestly, we'll probably
discounted price.
We'll probably like do this like every month or so because honestly, we just have a lot of yarn and we just buy a lot of yarn for like the month, and then whatever we don't use for our projects during that month, we will just sell at the end of the month. Maybe,
and we would rather sell it because first of all, we don't make scrap projects because we are always planning something new.
Yeah.
And second, we buy a lot of yarn from Europe, and a lot of the yarn that we buy isn't available or aren't available here in the US, so I feel like it's a nice touch to sell it to people who
we'll
use it, and it's gonna be like $1 to $3. So when we say discount, we mean like heavily discounted,
like $1 to $3.
Yeah,
because we just want to get rid of it. So
yeah, and have people be able to have access to it. Like people could pay $1. People are willing to pay $1, $3.
Yeah. And tomorrow is Small Business Saturday, November 27th. So we're like, this is the perfect time to sort through all of this. This is the day before November 26th.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna separate everything by brand first and then count how many we have so that Kalila, because she's listing it, she'll know how many to put for its availability on the website.
Yes.
Like, I don't know where I was going with that.
It's okay.
Thanks. And
let's show them the yarn.
We didn't plan to match with gray and dark gray.
I literally just finished this sweater like 10 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Yes.
But we all ended up.
I'm the only one not wearing a yarn sweater.
You're lame.
I am.
Anyway,
this is all the yarn that we have.
Bro.
Oh, there we go.
It's so bright.
For real.
Yeah. We stuffed this because the bucket got too full, so we had to get a bag.
so let's dump it. Let me scoop this back so you guys can see all the yarn we have. I was gonna say another word, but I don't know what the word. Anyway, let's.
Yeah.
Anyway, so this is from my room alone. All my room.
What's rattling? Oh, that.
My gosh.
Jeez,
I did not realize that was all that yarn.
Listen, if you wanna
Oh, and I was going to do these two for my Velma recreation sweater, but it ended up being like too small because I wanted to use worsted weight, and this was not worsted, and it would have I would have been making this sweater for a long time, so I was like, I'm not using this, and so I didn't end up using it, so that's why it's here.
Yeah. All right. Now, here's everything from our yarn bucket.
Jeez, bro. And this is like all of our yarn.
All of our yarns combined, and most of them are from this, if not all, are from this month, and then some are yarns that we found that we didn't know we had, and we're like, oh, well, yeah, we can sell that too. So
I was supposed to do a recreation with Malika. I didn't get to, so we're just gonna sell this yarn.
Yeah, we have a lot of acrylic this month. We have a lot of wool. Well, most of it is wool. Most of these yarns are wool. We have some cotton.
We have fuzzy
yarns. We have some alpaca yarns, and
got some chunky yarns.
Yeah.
Onyx is just behind the camera.
Yeah.
We have some mohair from Knitting for Olive.
Merino wool. What's it? Superwash?
Yeah, superwash merino wool.
Yeah, and we have scraps and stuff, so we'll have like a scrap bundle.
Yeah.
And yeah, so now it's all about separating all of this. We'll put all the scraps together, and then we'll just put the yeah, separate it.
Right. We can just separate it by brand.
For now, and then we can just go from there. So
Let's get it.
yeah. Oh, also we will. So this will be. This first part is going to be us separating it, and then we'll also include in the vlog us packaging all of the
Orders that we get.
all of the orders, most of the orders that we get.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Let's get it started. Let's get it started.
All right, let's go. Okay, so we kind of organized a little bit. Well, no, a lot of it. So that's like the alpaca, brushed alpaca. This is comfy fingering. Then this is the tweed section. Then we have palette. And that's kid silk, right? Yeah.
Drops.
Drops. Then that's dishy. That's mohair, I'm assuming.
Knitting for Olive.
Knitting for Olive mohair. Then that's Jody Long. I don't know what...
I think it's just some wool. Yeah.
That's Jody
Just
Long
merino wool.
Merino wool. Then this is, I'm assuming wool. Then that is Alaska, Drops Alaska. That's superwash merino wool. This is the fuzzy yarn. And that's Kahila's chunky yarn.
Yeah, chunky wool.
Chunky wool. Then this is the acrylic section. And then this is the scrap yarn. Right?
Mm-hmm.
And then scrap yarn section. So we have all of this to sell.
I can't get over how this camera makes me look. Look at this camera and it makes me look like a tomato. Like I got sunburnt and then I just stayed
I like how it
and
makes
continued
me
looking. Girl, I look like I got baked in an oven. Okay, bro, it was on broil. But we sort the yarn out and then we write out how much of everything we have and the brand name, the color, number, and everything. And then after that, I, Kalila, take pictures because I'm the one who puts it up on the shop and lists them and everything. And now that we're listing things individually, we need like individual pictures and stuff. So I take the pictures so that people know exactly what they're getting and everything. And that is what I'm doing right now. It's taken a while. It's been like an hour now since we started everything, and have a pretty good bit to go before listing everything. But this is an exciting part for me because I love organizing everything and like putting up on the shop. It just makes me feel good when it looks good. So that's what I'm gonna do.
know how to do this. Hello, can you guys see me? Do I look fine? Anyway, hi, it's a new day and we are going to start packing up these orders. Packing? One of them. Up these orders. We have all of the yarn right here. I already did one. Khalila's blocking it.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Right there. And yeah, Malika will be coming soon at some point. I don't know where she is, but let me adjust this. Maybe flatter. I don't know. I don't know how to work this camera. Oh, or maybe do this. Oh, here we go. Yeah, just lower it. Let's move this chair. Ah, perfect. Okay. Yeah, you can see me right here. Okay, perfect. All right, well, guys, we're gonna start. Malika will come eventually. Kalia is printing everything. I am putting everything in different poly mailers, and Malika will be sealing them and just like double checking and putting the label on it.
Yeah, I'll be over there. You can't see it. Let me show you. I'll be right here printing off the labels. I think I just messed up the. Oh,
that's okay.
Okay. Yeah. That's what I'll be doing.
More
so.
that way.
Oh, sorry. This one?
No,
Oh,
don't.
this one?
No. Like, don't move the whole thing. It just needs to be shifted.
Oh, like that?
No.
No?
More that way.
That way.
Yeah.
That.
Yeah, not that much.
Okay.
Sure. I don't know.
Why does this look crooked?
Okay, let me do it. No. Leave this alone. This is fine. Okay. Oh, sorry.
It looks fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, I'll be printing, she'll be packing, Malika will be sealing and double checking and slapping labels on there, and it's a whole unit.
Yes, assembly line.
Assembly line, yeah. Alright, let's get it.
You're recording? Time to organize yarn.
We told them you would be coming later.
Okay, what size is that one?
10 by 13. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
It's me.
And me.
And me. And me.
And we just finished packaging up all the orders.
We did. It is all right here.
Big thanks to Copy Cali
Copy Cali.
for printing all the labels and packing slips. and
there's more.
This is all of the yarn that we have left. So if you want some impeccable, we have lavender and we have gray. So go ahead and
That gray is really nice. Please stop smacking.
When are we coming out with this video? Because by the time this comes out, this might not be on a website.
Friday?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, never mind. This will not be on a site because it will probably be sold out. All right.
Stop smacking.
That is the yarn that we have left.
Yes.
And I believe that is all we have for this video. Yeah?
How are we?
Yeah.
how are we gonna do
Okay.
it?
So,
Thank you guys so much for watching. We
Oh,
had
this sucks.
a great time doing this. This is so nice and chill. Like
It
I
is.
love this so much.
Yeah.
But yeah, expect more vlogs. Expect
this should be
another
called a vlog.
Duh, it's
Yes.
been a vlog from the beginning.
Ma'am.
Don't mind
Anyway,
her.
expect more vlogs. Expect more podcasts. We will have one like at the end of the month.
Yeah.
And
Like on Fridays.
yeah,
We'll try and
Fridays
post.
seems to be good.
It might not be every Friday, but if we do drop a video, when we do drop a video, it will be on a Friday.
Yes. Why are we all wearing gray again?
This is very nice.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That is it.
Thanks
So,
for watching.
thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next.
Give this video a
Give
big,
it a big
thumbs
thumbs
up.
up.
Subscribe if you're new
Subscribe.
and you haven't done so already.
Bing,
Hit
bing,
that
bing.
notification
bell, so you'll be
Notified whenever we post another video.
And we see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Bye.